Yes, exactly 1 second after the last video, because I got stuff to do. Here is my thrift pickups for today. What the frick is today? Thursday, September 21st. Tells you how long it takes for these things to come out. But this is what I would consider to be a pure thrift. Thank you. The purest kind. Okay, here. Leave the bag. Oh, no. Okay. No, it's falling off. Okay. Yeah, start with this. Oh, yeah, Legend of Zelda. You know I know my stuff, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. That's what she looked like. Sorry to y'all purists out there. I don't know. But no, this one is definitely, here's his Wind Waker HD 2014. There you go. It's pretty high definition, you ask me. And then, of course, Pocahontas, I think. Wow, that's wow. All right. So, gaming stuff. Haha. Gaming stuff. Anyway. Put Pocahontas up here with Zelda. There you go. Okay. All right. So, and then, yeah, you can hear it. There it is. It's a bag filled with Legos. Right? But the keen-eyed individual, staples are fun. Staples are nice until you find them in your toe at night. Throw them away. Put them in the trash. Yes. Look at that. Oh, man. Let's see. Every one of them has a date code on it. Oh, man, I got to take my glasses off. What is that? 1990? Somewhere in the 90s. But look. There's a Connects. Anyone was a fan of Connects? I never really got into them, but there you go. Nice little Connects there. But look at that. That's a pylon from Submarine series. I mean, this is just full of like. Here's a pin ladder with the freaking. Oh, that's from a submarine. That's from an old school submarine with the yellow arm. What is that? That's nothing. That's a window. Okay. What else is in here? Now, this is the reason I bought this. Okay, right? Look at this. This is a Black Dragon Knight helmet. That's worth like a few bucks right there. Right? That's another toy. That's like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle thing or something. Whoa, look at that. It's chrome and it's still chrome. Oh, that's so rare. You see, a lot of it does this, where it becomes like worn out. Oh, and that's a retired color right there for clear lenses. What am I looking for, though? This. There you go. Anyone who knows what's up. Anyone who knows what's up. There you go. That's worth something. Classic window piece. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. A hairpiece? A hairpiece. Nice. No, this is good stuff. This is good stuff. That's, what was that, a cattle prod? That was not meant to be insensitive. It was just not thoughtful. Anyway, here. This stuff. Put it away. Lego stuff. There, Legos. Okay. Oh, and there you go. There's Lego. Yellow Lego base plate. That's actually pretty rare too. So, and I promise a game. There's a game right there. Here, I'm gonna take the game. But here's a tape deck, and I'm pretty sure it works. I haven't tested it yet, but those are some pretty fairly medium to like modern batteries. Thunderbolts. These are from somewhere. These are not. Yeah, these are not. Yeah, these are zinc chloride batteries. No wonder this thing. Although the good thing about those zinc chloride batteries is they never really have enough charge to actually like destroy anything. But yeah, look at this. Here's a an auto reverse, a WMFX301 reverse auto reverse. Walkman seems to have tension on the belt. When you check these things, and you don't have batteries in your pocket. Press this, and then feel the right hand side. If there's tension and you can barely spin this wheel, then this tape deck should work. A little tip for thrifting tape decks. All right, so I'm doing like short episodes. No premieres for a couple weeks, so they're just gonna come out Fridays. Why am I telling you that now? Why am I telling you that now? Because like I've obviously already done like 2 weeks of freaking videos. There's the game, Little Big Planet. I always recommend buying the Game of the Year edition. It says includes bonus content, but I've never seen a code or anything. Obviously, there's the reverse art for this thing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rock that for the rest of the video because I can. So where are we at? This is 8 minutes in, or 7 minutes in, something. Like, comment, subscribe, wash your hands.